Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I want to talk to you guys about CES 2020. And in this video, I want to tell you why you should be excited about CES. So let's start off with TVs. Actually, you know what? Before we start off with TVs, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. All right, so let's talk about TVs. Now, word on the street or word on the internet is LG will be displaying or introducing their transparent OLED prototype. And I will say that I am really excited to see what this brings to the table. I've always been a big fan of OLED simply because they have those super black, dark blacks, and then they also have that really high contrast. So really excited about it. Wouldn't expect this to show up at your local Best Buy anytime soon because the price point, and we're still in the prototype stage. I think this will be more for commercial use, lobbies and things of that sort. So exciting to see what we get with this transparent OLED prototype. Moving on, there's going to be some phones announced at CES 2020, and one that I'm really excited about is the one that's going to be revealed by OnePlus. Now, I will be honest, if I was an Android user, I would pretty much probably have a OnePlus. I just like the design, and I like how cutting edge they are, and they tend to keep the devices at a really good price point. But in any case, they will be announcing or revealing the OnePlus concept. Now, I don't think this is going to be launched anytime soon, but a lot of the rumors are pointing to a foldable OnePlus. So really excited about that. Uh, while talking about phones, there should be a lot of 5G phones that are announced at CES 2020. Really excited about that as we continue to roll out these 5G networks. Also, but not such a big thing, there will be a lot of appliances announced at CES, smart washers, smart dryers, and things of that sort. Not really excited about it, but am a little bit interested to see what they can bring to the market. How can you make appliances more exciting? The last appliance that was quite exciting was the one from Samsung, which had the display on the front, but it was pretty pricey at around $5,000. So hopefully they can bring those prices down and offer us new features with our appliances. Now, LG will also be announcing a monitor, which is going to be pretty cool. Now, here they're kind of going after the gaming market here. So we'll see a gaming-oriented monitor. Now, this monitor will be a 38-inch curved 4K display. Now, I don't know too much about monitors, but they are saying it's going to have a 1 millisecond response time with a refresh rate of 144 hertz, which is kind of nice. It's also going to have the NVIDIA G-Sync. While talking about rates, if you want to keep track of your heart rate by using your smartphone to monitor and improve your health, there will be a lot of that at CES 2020. There's a company called TechLeap, which will be introducing their product, which will be using your smartphone as an extra set of eyes. And this is going to be something that's going to benefit those who have trouble seeing. Also, there's a company called HeardThat, which will be using machine learning algorithm to separate outside noises with those who are trying to speak to you with your smartphone. So that's going to be kind of cool for those who have trouble hearing as well. Speaking of hearing, Sony will be introducing a pair of headphones. These are going to be called the WH-1000XM. I just love these names from Sony. But this is the follow-up success to the WH-1000XM3. Now, Bose, I would suggest that you're paying attention here, because Sony is trying to take your shine with active noise cancellation. One company that is paying attention is Klipsch. They will be bringing a pair of their over-the-ear active noise cancellation headphones to market. We don't have a name yet, but this pair of headphones is supposed to feature a 40 decibel active noise cancellation motor, which is going to be pretty cool. Now they're promising 30 hours of battery life. I don't think that is going to be possible with active noise cancellation headphones, but we will definitely see. And lastly, one of the things I'm really excited about is passenger drones. There's two companies out there that will be announcing their products, and that is Bowen and Egan. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm sorry, Egan or Ehang. But in any case, Egan or Ehang will be announcing their 184. Now this passenger drone will cost around $200,000 to $300,000. So this is definitely not something that you can pick up at your local Best Buy. I'm not sure why I keep saying Best Buy, but yeah, you're not going to be able to pick this up at your local Best Buy. But it is something that I think companies will be looking at. I know Bowen also will be announcing or showing off their Bowen Air Taxi. And from what I understand, they've been working with Uber to bring this to market. So you may get an opportunity to experience a passenger drone. These drones are supposed to have a 50-mile range and support multiple people. And that should be somewhat of a enjoyable experience to fly in an Uber, I would say. So hopefully you give Uber 5 stars if you do get an opportunity to do that. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now for me, I don't need 5 stars. All you have to do is give me 1 thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you like the video, and subscribe if you love the video. But otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.